Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's going to be a quick video. It's what's in my camera bag for 2024. To start off, I have a fStop Lotus 32-liter backpack. I gave a review of it and I'll link to that video. I'm going to go ahead and just start pulling things out of the backpack, and I'll start with the cameras. First, I normally always have my Fujifilm X-T5 in the backpack, and this is just a light carry, quick photos, whether I'm snowboarding or hiking. I normally always have this, whether it's outdoor stuff or even just going to a coffee shop to work. This is kind of my everyday carry. Next up is the Fujifilm GFX 100S. This is my landscape camera, and I also do some lifestyle stuff with this. Now that the cameras are out of the way, we'll get to some of the other smaller gadgets. This is a very common lint duster blower thing to get dust off of your lens. Next, I have an Anker phone charger. It is MagSafe compatible, and it has this little kickstand on the back so you can prop your phone up while it's charging. I forget the exact model, but I'll link it below. I normally do bring this newer tripod. I did a review of this tripod and don't really recommend it if your camera is really heavy, like the camera that I'm videoing right now, which is a Canon R5 with a battery grip and a pretty hefty lens. But if you have a lighter weight camera like an X-T5 and potentially this GFX here, definitely the X-T5, then this newer tripod is pretty great. And it folds, so it's very compact, and yeah. Next, if you didn't already figure it out, I have Peak Design straps, and you can see by these red little tags. So I have this Peak Design camera strap normally always in my pack. Next up is the Fujifilm EF X8 flash. It is a very small portable flash that is powered by the camera. In this case, I use it with my X-T5. I did a review on this flash and I'll link it here. Next up, I have a little mobile tripod stand here. It's just the holder for a mobile phone. It has an extending or contracting grip, so different phone sizes, and this actually can attach to any standard tripod mount, so it can go on top of my newer tripod, and if I don't want to bring out a big camera, I'll just put my phone there, set a timer, get a quick photo or video. Next up, because I bring this backpack and camera gear snowboarding and hiking a lot, I normally always have a multi-tool plier. In this case, it's a Leatherman plier, multi-tool kit thing, whatever you call them. It has lots of tools on it, obviously. One of the tools I use the most is a little flathead in here because I often don't have a quarter around. And so for the tripods that require like a little quarter or something that size, having a multi-tool around is a big help. It also helps with tightening bindings on snowboards, but that's a different topic. So getting close to the end here, I'll always keep some SD card and CF Express card cases with me. I have one here and another one here, just a little green piece of tape to label it. And that's pretty much it outside of batteries and some lens cloths that I always bring in my backpack. So that's it for this video and what I carry in my camera bag in 2024. I'd love to know what you have in your bag or recommendations. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. It helps. I love feedback. If you do have any ideas for videos you'd like for me to make, please drop it in a comment below. I don't want to just speak out into the ether. Until next time, thanks. Lint duster.